In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Seller Hub on eBay after you make your first sale. You've made that exciting first step of selling an item, and now it's time to take advantage of the Seller Hub on eBay, which is a powerful tool to help you manage your sales like a pro. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Seller Hub activation page. This is the door to open up all the great features that Seller Hub has to offer. A straightforward way to get there is by visiting ebay.com/sh. That link will take you directly to where you need to be. Alternatively, you can go to My eBay and then click on Selling. Either method will guide you to the same place. Once you're on the Seller Hub page, you'll see an option to start using Seller Hub. Simply click that button and eBay will activate the dashboard instantly for you. This feature is available to you after your first sale, so if you've just successfully sold an item, you should see this option ready and waiting. The best part is that you don't need a store subscription to access all these fantastic features. Now that you've got Seller Hub set up, let me walk you through what it offers. First, you'll have access to an overview dashboard. This section provides you with a comprehensive look at your total sales, traffic, and buyer activity, helping you keep an eye on how your business is performing at a glance. In the orders section, you can manage everything related to your sold items, including shipping, tracking, cancelling, or managing orders, all in one place. This makes order management much more streamlined. The listings section lets you edit active listings, relist any items that didn't sell, or create drafts for new listings. Having everything organized here helps you keep your eBay store updated effortlessly. Next, there's the payments section. Here you'll be able to see your payouts, fees, and your overall balance. This part will help you stay on top of your finances, which is crucial for any seller. If you're interested in boosting your sales, the marketing section is there for you to run promotions, coupons, or sales events. It's an excellent tool to attract more buyers and increase visibility for your items. In performance, you can track important metrics including your feedback, return rate, and shipping time. Understanding your performance can help fine-tune your selling strategies and improve customer satisfaction. Finally, there's the powerful research tool powered by Terapeak. This allows you to dig deep into the market trends and pricing strategies, equipping you with the knowledge to make informed selling decisions. Seller Hub is an invaluable tool for any eBay seller, and with these insights at your fingertips, you'll be well equipped to manage your business efficiently and effectively. Happy selling!